In this video, we'll cover all the ways you can find the images and art that you've uploaded. Of course, there's always the upload screen here, but those are just the last few images that have been uploaded. The quickest way to find any other image is here, on the Images screen. If we click on the filters and check Uploaded, Design Space reveals all uploaded images, sorted by newest first. Simple, right? Another way to search for an uploaded item is by using keywords, which is why you always want to use tags during the upload process. You can see how they come in very handy. What about uploaded patterns? There's a way to find those too. At the bottom of the Print Fill Type Attributes panel, there is a link for Filter. Clicking on the Filter link opens up additional options where you can select My Patterns, which includes patterns you are entitled to as well as patterns you have personally uploaded. And that is how you find your uploaded content in Cricut Design Space. Happy crafting!